Hi, this is Shamim and welcome to Simply Shamim 2.0 YouTube channel. If you want to rank your website on Google, then a low competitive keyword is very important for your website. So the last video I was discussed about how to find out a low competitive keyword for your website. But today I am discuss about how to find out a KGR score for your targeted keywords. So don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. KGR means keyword golden ratio. If you want to find out this ratio or score, at first you have to find out your targeted keywords all in title pages. Then divided it by keyword search volume. Then you can find out your KGR score. If your KGR score are less than 0.25, then it is very good because less than 0.25 KGR score are very easy to rank on Google, but when it becomes 0.25 to 1 or 1 plus, then it is very high competitive keyword. So I recommended you take this keyword if your KGR score are less than 0.25 because it is very easy to rank on Google. Okay, let's go. I take a keyword for find out KGR score. Search volume 200 to 700 is better for KGR keyword. You can see here these keywords search volume are 600, so it will be better keyword for KGR score or KGR keyword. Okay, I am go on Google for my targeted keywords and search this. You can see here is many result for this keyword, but go your search engine and write all in title. Write all in title, then give you targeted keywords. Then search on Google. Now you can see here is only 10 results are available. That means for these keywords are only 10 posts or blog are available on Google. So definitely my real competitor are only 10 person on Google at now. You can see here is a Pinterest and YouTube are available. Social media are not yet competitor because this is not blog post. So we find out our all in title page only 10 results. Okay, go on calculator. Our all in title page number is 10. Now divided it by keyword search volume. By keyword search volume. Keyword search volume are 600. Okay. This is our KGR score 0.016. This is perfect keyword for our website or blog post because at first I am say that if your KGR score are less than 0.25, it is very good because less than 0.25 KGR score are very easy to rank on Google. That way you can find out your KGR score for your targeted keywords. Thanks for watching.